Nice. Ang ada karena rumal mawal lakha dengan.
Anak budang nih anak budang.
anak budak orang.
Gila gue malah main. No.
Sinana dilena punya mengkasih sapa jazugan na. Demba.
Teacher. Say a common dialogue from your favorite teacher.
Tất cả các bạn là gì vậy?
Any guess? So we will have no music, but we will see our Sneha dance. One last time. Without music, groove. The floor is yours. Ha! Yes! Ha! Yes! Oh, continue! 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 Okay, we did not hear. Up next, we are not short of any animals. Up now, we have a beautiful hen. Go. Very nice, very nice. Another monkey amongst us. That sounded more like a ghost. Okay.
Oh my god.
Up next, another model.
Matlayanku sang betonami suturnonga.
Sino tayo kapsigan?
Tayo kapsigan guys.
Andang mo naman dong.
Nang nikap na ko no basa kap nang karo.
Okay, ang kabang ba? Ready na kap niyo.
Ready na kami. Ready. The next program is start.
May kabagagan huli. Mazang.
So Lavanya, assistant, father, and dear teachers, my dear friends, and dear little ones, a very good morning. Myself, as Pretty Bosmatari, I stand here on behalf of all my friends to say a few words. Today is a special day for us all, and hope it's going to be the most memorable one our school has ever seen. As we say goodbye to our school days, there might be some tears, but there will also be plenty of smiles. I still remember my first day.
Appreciation for all the class 10, and you were considered to be a model for others. Even Sir Anthony was telling you supposed to be model for others. And very special way, I would say that this batch was very studious, and many of you are getting good marks even in the test, pre-final test. Earlier, of course, many students, they could not get even 40, 48, 50, even that much mark was very difficult. But this time it has reached, more than 75. Some of you. So I am very happy about this batch, and lot of expectation is there.